Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Syaril bin Abdul Samad. My matric number S28313. Today I can talk about what is OS. Operating system is a tool in computing world that acts as an interpreter between hardware and software. This is the story of Linux. The first, around 30 years back, every computer had a different operating system. Software was always customized to serve a specific purpose, and software for one given system did run on another system. Second, in 1959, a team of developers in the Bell Laboratories came up with a solution for the software problem. That developed a new operating system known as Unix, which is simple, write in the C program language instead of in assembly code and able to recycle code. Third, at the end of 50, several versions of Unix available for PC achieved hacker, but none of them truly free and first operated. Next, in 1991, Linus Torvalds, a young man studying computer science at the University of Helsinki, Finland, started code for a pre-academic version of Unix known as Linux. Lastly, now Linux runs on multiple platforms with several sources of distribution. This is Linux inventor. He is Linus Torvalds. Thank you.
My name is Ranjit. So today we are here to learn about what is Linux and what is a Linux operating system is about. So let us move on to the first point. Linux is free and open source operating system built around Linux kernel. So it is free. You can easily go to the official website of Linux. You can download the source link over there and use it. For your additional information, you also can use Linux as your second operating system. You just need a piece of pen drive. You can install the Linux into your pen drive and reboot it into your desktop environment whenever you want, and you can back to the default environment too whenever you need. So it is built around Linux kernel. If you new to the operating system world, the word Linux kernel the term Linux kernel will seem something new for you. Later on I come to the term. So now we move on to the second point. It's written in the C programming language. So when compared to the other languages such as Java, Python and Ruby on Rails, C programming language is more basic and it can be understood by the common users such as us. Linux also is a generic term referring to the Unix graphical user interface based computer OS or operating system. Graphical user interface means the first thing when you open your gadget, the first system that build the graphical system that you look at when you open your device or your gadgets. That is the graphical user interface. So Linux has its own graphical user interface. It seems more like Windows but slightly different. Next point. Linux distributed under an open source license. Okay, the interesting about the open source license, when an operating system is distributed under this source type of license, we can easily code and decode the system according to our convenience. This is why Linux kernel has a wide distribution sources or also known as distro. So there's a lot of type of Linux kernel distribution. Later on I show them to you. So each distribution is built for certain fields such as genetics, even some for mechanical field, medicine, for gaming, even for hacking. Linux kernel also can work based on a command line interface. So Linux has two type of interface. Another one is command line interface. This is why the Linux is popular among the hackers because they can use this interface for their hacking process. For example of Linux distro, on the screen you can see a lot of type of Linux distributions such as Red Hat, Debian, Ubuntu. So these are all the Linux distribution. There are more. Every year the Linux user create their own distribution. Okay. Every operating system consists of three main elements: application, shell, and kernel. Application, most of you know about it, so I leave it. Let's focus on kernel and shell. Kernel is the backbone of every operating system. For Linux kernel, their kernel is actually called as Linux kernel. That's what the term means. It is the backbone of the operating system. Shell referring to the interface. So Linux kernel. Kernel acts as in it acts in between application, central processing unit, memory, and devices. So it's like an interpreter. Linux shell referring to the interface. So there are type of Linux kernel such as TCSH, VSH, VFH, and BASH. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Cecilia Setrontia, matrix number S28308, and I will be discussing about the advantage of Linux operating system. The first one is it is low cost. There is no need to spend time and huge amount of money to obtain license since Linux and much of its software comes with the general public license. Next one is the stability. Linux has high stability compared to other operating systems. Furthermore, the performance. Linux provides high performance on various networks. It has the ability to handle large number of users simultaneously. Besides that, there is also the networking. Linux provides a strong support for network functionality. Client and server system can be easily set up on any computer running Linux. And other than that, the flexibility. Linux is very flexible. It can be used for high performance server application, desktop application, and embedded system. And last but not least, the compatibility of the Linux. It comes all common Unix software packages and can process all common file formats. That will be all for me. Thank you.